Hello kitchen queens and kings. Today we are going to make a very tasty, crispy and easy snack with breads and onions. So let's quickly start making it. For this recipe, first of all we need 2 chopped onions or half cup chopped onions. As you can see, I have chopped onions into thin slices, but they are not very small in size. Now we will add 1 teaspoon sliced ginger, 1 teaspoon finely chopped green chilies and 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves. And today I have 2 to 3 tablespoon leftover rice at home, so I am just using them, adding in onion mixture. But rice does not have any special role in this recipe. You can totally skip it, or if you have a boiled potato you can add it if you want to, but it's totally up to you. Even without potato or rice, this recipe will be perfect. So I'm adding rice just to use them. And now we will add some dry spices. So here I'm adding 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili powder and half teaspoon chaat masala or dry mango powder. You can adjust the quantity of spices according to your taste. We will mix all the things properly. And our onion masala is ready. Let's cover it with a plate and keep it aside for 5 minutes. Till then we will make our breads ready. So we will take 2 to 3 bread slices and we need to cut the edges. You can make breadcrumbs with these cuttings and store them in an airtight container in refrigerator. After cutting the edges, we will take 1 bread slice and we will roll it or flatten it with the help of a rolling pin. And we will repeat the same step with all the bread slices. After rolling the breads, we will keep 1 tablespoon onion mixture or onion masala on a bread slice. And make the bread sides wet with water. You can use a brush or your fingers to make the boundaries wet. Let's fold the bread piece in triangle shape and stick it gently with fingers. And here our one triangle is ready, as you can see, and we will repeat the same steps with the rest of the masala and bread slices. And here on gas burner our oil is hot and ready. So let's fry our sandwiches. Oil should be very hot and we will fry these sandwiches on high flame, otherwise bread will soak a lot of oil. So we need to fry them quickly on high flame. It will take only 15 to 20 seconds for frying. As you can see, our bread has turned golden in color and it's looking so crispy, so yummy. Let's take them out in a plate. And our super quick, super tasty and super crispy bread onion snack is ready to serve hot. You can serve it with coriander chutney or tomato ketchup. This is a perfect tea time snack. Do try this recipe at your home. I'm sure you are going to love it. Don't forget to share your experience with me in comment section, and you can also visit my channel for more such easy, tasty and quick recipes. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing it. Tap on the bell icon too so that you can get notifications whenever I upload a new video. So that's it for today. We will catch up again really soon.